freaks, welcome back. My name is Philip with the Art House Syndicate, and we are going to be opening a package here. This is coming from Mr. Isuardi Therianto, and we did it was a week-long period where he had let us know that he had gotten his artist proofs in for cards like Arachne, and so we wanted to make sure that we could try to get these expedited as much as possible, so we held back in him sending his last cycle to allow for, we did a week-long period for people to be able to order these. So people have since ordered them, and so those will not be in here if it was outside of that week period. They will be coming. I'm actually going to be getting them delivered in person, because if you haven't been keeping up with the announcements, he's going to be in Baltimore at the Pro Tour 3. So he's going to have them ready to go. I'll be picking them up. If you are not in this order, but you have ordered since then, and you're going to Baltimore, do me a favor, message us, let us know. We'll figure out a way to get them to you in person, okay? So it's actually getting to the point where if you want an Arachne Huntsman artist proof, the adult Arachne, he might not have many there. Oh. Just because of how many were ordered in this cycle and how many I'm about to send him to get sketched to have in person, he's kind of running low on stock, guys. So if you want one, get your order in, get it in quickly, and we will try to make sure that he will try to ask if he can have them. So I've got order numbers pulled up on my other screen over here. We're going to try to match these up as I'm going through. If you see a card you like and your order number, congrats. Like I said, I have not yet seen these. I just cut the box open to make sure there was nothing crazy in here. He actually packaged it really well. I like the fact that he uses the styrofoam. It's all taped. Look how snug that was. You guys saw how snug that was? That's really nice. Oh, he actually did it for me. Oh, Isuardi, you rock. So, let's take a look at what we've got here. So, order number 10401. This did not have a sketch request with it. Look at that. Okay, I see. Wait. Okay, yeah, only one card in here. Let's see if we can get that up closer. That's pretty cool. So that is Young Arachne. Next up, we've got 104010 Frostex. The sketch request for this was an extension of the art with Icelander wielding the Frostex. So kind of like how she's wielding it there. Wrong direction. There's a more zoomed out shot. Look at that. So much detail. Can I get that any better? Wow. This one is 10399. Arachne Huntsman, and just a sketch of Arachne would be amazing, is what the sketch request was. There we go. Just the touches of color. I love just the touch of color in there. It's actually really nice. I like that he doesn't go too... It's accents, right? It just adds the accent in there. So, 10-4... 69. 10-4-69. A scene similar to surgical extraction, with Arachne torturing the girl from Aether Dart. Because he also did Aether Dart. So he did Arachne, he did Aether Dart, but he didn't do surgical extraction. And there we go. That's gorgeous. Guys, I'm sorry. Let's see if I can get it on this camera. Just that level of detail in there it's amazing. And if you've seen our shorts that we've posted of him, he actually does like 3 or 4 different types of pen or marker just to get this depth of color and detail in there. And so here we've got an Arachne Huntsman for order 10400. Urzuri looking cool. And I think that's pretty cool. This is actually one that we did the short on. So we've seen this one before, but I haven't seen it in person at least. Yeah. It's really good, guys. 10401 again. So again, this one did not have a specific request on it. So he was free to pretty much sketch what he wanted, which honestly, you might not get a specific thing, but it's cool to let the artist have their free reign on it, right? And there we go. So you actually go with him. What do we got here? Some of the sleeves. Okay. Ooh, we don't want to see that yet. Don't give it away. Don't spoil. 10407. What was this one? Oh, this is a double proof. Okay. So this one, let me find... Okay. 10407, right? I remember this order. This was a really cool one. Is it here? Hold on a second. Sorry, guys. Okay. So those we'll see differently. But 10407. Let me find yours other one real quick. I don't want to waste too much time. Oh, there we go. 10407. So 10407 ordered 2 Arachne Huntsmans with separate sketches. The first one, he wanted to see Viserai and Arachne squaring off, facing each other. Just not fighting, but getting ready to go against each other. That's really cool. And then the second one. Oh, and Viserai's holding Nebula Blade, Arachne's holding Spider Bite. The second one, an interpretation of his desire of Arachne, and oh man, I think he did pretty good there. I think he did pretty good on that one. Oh, is that the Emperor? It's like the Emperor's head. Let's see. 10411. Or actually, let's do this one. This one's super cool. Okay. This one. This one I was really excited to see. 10403. Order number 10403. I hope you're as blown away as I am. Alright. So, something featuring Arachne. Whatever you think looks nice fits the general aesthetic. It's an Arachne and an Arachne huntsman. So, a young and an old. Perhaps preparing for their next job. Sharpening the weapons, checking out his gear. Let's see if I can line this up to show you. Slide on over. Boom. You guys want this detail. $10,411. Where are you at? Unhallowed Rites. Okay. So here are the red Unhallowed Rites for you. And he had posted on his Instagram the same character on another sketch. And this person wanted something similar. Again, we've seen this girl. We've seen her in a ton of different card art. Can't wait. Hopefully, she's a hero. Hopefully, we get a hero card of her. What do we have here? Arachne Huntsman 415. 415 says... Oh, okay. This was someone who he sent me some pictures on Instagram, and I forwarded them on over. There we go. I believe this is for a local of mine. So, nice. Alright, let's get the order numbers. I think it's cool reading some of the... When we get to 412, I'm going to call 412 out. And 406. So, here's another Huntsman, Adult Arachne. Oh, that gold in there is really nice. That gold's really nice in that one. This is another Huntsman. Oh, this is 401. Okay. That's you. 405. Whoa. Did we see this one? I think we saw this one. Look at that. Four. This is the one we saw. Okay, that's one we saw. Okay. 405 was another artist choice. I'm sorry, 409. It's... Guys. It's obvious to me. He didn't used to sketch, okay? He did not used to sketch. So, him basically coming out and just whipping this stuff out, it's... Whoa. Come on, guys. 414. Oh, this is the one modeled after the Leave No Witness. Another 414? Oh, yeah. Killing. This is the one killing the Emperor? Yeah, killing the Emperor. $410. If you can't tell, this was a pretty significantly sized order. Okay, this is 412. So, Steel Fur. Hey, your YouTube channel. You asked for this one. So, he's not killing the bear. Don't worry. Don't worry. He's not killing the bear. But it is a bear. Hopefully that meets your expectations. Hopefully that works for you. I thought it was cool. 402. 406. Oh, this one. 406. Where's your... So we've never seen Arachne without his mask before, right? This one? I think we get a piece of his face. Is that Arachne's actual face? Let me know. Remind me. I don't think we've seen his face. I think every time we've seen him in any of the Arachnes, in Vipox, he's always had the mask. Have we ever seen... I don't think we've seen him without the mask. Or a mask. Oh, here's a Vexing Quillhand. Vexing Quillhand. What was the request for this one? Oh, this was Briar. Okay, so 414. This is your Briar one. You had asked for this one. Yes. With the beams of arcane coming out. So you can see the little pink pinks. Oh, and here's a payload. That one did not have a sketch on it. This Vipox was also unsketched. I got some signed cards back. This was an Arachne. Let's see, we've got a Force of Nature. Well, these are more signed cards. Yeah. So, some more signed cards of Force of Nature. Some signed unhallowed rights. Here's... Hold on a second. Okay. Oh. Order number 10238. I hope you're watching this. Guys, what we've got here is a first edition signed cold foil Shock Charmers. If you have not seen the full art of this card, okay? I know that David's posted it up on the Facebook page. If you have not seen the full art of Shock Charmers, go find it. It's... You know how LSS has been doing a lot of extended arts now? So some of the new equipment from the new set is extended art. They did the extended art tunic. Please, LSS, if you're watching this, if you watch this at all, give us an extended art Shock Charmers. Please. And here we've got another signed Arachne. So I'm very excited to be able to get these orders out. I'm going to be very busy today. I'm going to try to get as many out today, between today and tomorrow as I can. So please, a little bit more patience. I'm sorry for those of you who had to wait for all these to be sketched. Thank you for joining me and watching this. I know this is a longer video. If you enjoy the art, please let us know. What is Isuardi's... What is your favorite card by Isuardi? Give me something mechanically wise, like a mechanical card. Like, what in the card's mechanics do you like? The art. What's your favorite card? Okay, tell me why. Is it Shock Charmers, because you found the full art and it's freaking gorgeous. And it's got between Spell Void 2, you can filter cards out of your hand, get some crazy on-hit stuff with it. Is it Arachne? Because you like the gameplay aspect, you like the assassin. Are you a dash player? And payload just made your deck work. Are you a dirty chain player like me? And Unhallowed Rites pretty much stops you from being, it helps prevent you from being fatigued. Briar players. Force of Nature. You can just have some awful turns with that. Yeah, let us know. Let me know what your favorite Isuardi card is. Oh, Vexing Quillhand, right? I love Vexing Quillhand myself. It's super cool looking. I actually was trying at one point to do a cosplay. I'm not good at cosplaying and making stuff. But I was trying to do something with it, and it didn't work out. But I think it's a super cool card. Mechanically, flavor, it's got gorgeous art with the hooks digging into the I love it. So that's probably my favorite card from Isuardi, personally. But let me know. What do you guys think? Thank you. If you have any questions, let us know. We will be sending off the order for another order for Isuardi for pickup at Baltimore, like I said. So if you want to guarantee your stuff, if you want to guarantee artist proofs for there, hit us up. Get your orders in now. I'm going to try to start putting that together as soon as I get these cards sent out. But yeah, I thank you guys. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.